guys, I hope you are doing great. Guys, today I am here to present a reliable and unbiased Teddy Dog Lucky reviews. So guys, stay tuned with me. After my reviews get over, you will surely get to know whether the product is a legit or a scam. So guys, one thing more, if you ever been fraud over any of the product, watch the video till the end. You will get to know how to get back your money. So yes guys, do watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, what is the most lovable and adorable software for any age group? It is Teddy for sure. So want to make your loved one surprised with a special gift? Yes, then explore Teddy Dog, the best way to express your love for your loved ones. So guys, as per the reports, the website ages 11 months and it claims to give you a perfect version of real life Teddy. When we talk about the product specifications, it is of light brown. You can add on any amount of Teddy you want to have, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can easily go ahead with it. When we talk about the product specification, it is 100% handmade by Emma. Then it works from 30 years of pet making experience. The production time is 15 days most of all. Then it claims to have 50,000 satisfied customers. It is made up of artificial fur and it has glass eyes. Then polymer clay nose, claws and paws. Then after that is head, body and legs are connected by the plastic skeleton locking. It is toned by airbrush paint and art pastel. It is completely handmade. And when we talk about its product pros, it is handmade with soft fabric. It is home decoration ornament made with the latest technology. It will not going to harm children's skin. So guys, before going ahead, do like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to do better. So guys, this is the selection. You can easily go with it. It comes with holiday promotion realistic kitty, realistic Yorkie dog caisse, and also says buy 2 get extra 5% off. These are the pictures, you can check it out. So guys, yes, now let's check out the legitimacy points of the product. So guys, as per the research, the product is 11-month old, but there are no customer or ratings or reviews are available for the product. The brand has less or no social media presence available and it is not available on Amazon. There is a same Teddy available on Amazon, but it is not at all of some brand. It is a non-brand Teddy. So guys, and even when you go through its Facebook, Pinterest page and tap on it, you're going to face that it will going to not be going to open. So guys, as per the introspection, we found the product is a dicey one. We could not able to say whether it is legitimate or which is not. Its legitimacy is quite difficult. So guys, according to us, it doesn't have any presence on Amazon platform with the reviews on ratings, or it is not having any social media presence. It claims to be there on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, but when you click on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest, another thing will going to open, not its page. If you click on Pinterest, the clothing website will be there, but guys, it is there from 11 months. So we want our viewers to share their experience. If they have ordered this product from the site and they have get the same product with a good version of Teddy and with the good product, then do share your reviews and do comment so that it can help others also and us also to get a clear picture about the product legitimacy. So guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel today as it will motivate us. So be informed and be safe. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day ahead.